it shorter, albeit. He smiled, albeit briefly. It was a beautiful, albeit rainy day. We found our way, we found our way. She accepted the job, albeit with reluctance, calculating the emotional distance. Albeit a conjunction of contrast. Can you see it? He is rich, albeit unhappy. Make it concise, make it snappy. The journey was long, albeit worth the ride, with you standing by my side. Technology is useful, albeit dangerous. The changes are huge and momentous. He is a good player, albeit inconsistent. In his efforts he is persistent. The room was small, albeit cozy and warm, shelter from the raging storm. Albeit a conjunction of contrast. Can you see it? He is rich, albeit unhappy. Make it concise, make it snappy. The journey was long, albeit worth the ride, with you standing by my side. Albeit plans, adjective, albeit slowly, albeit late, albeit mistaken, formal contrast. I love you, albeit from afar. You are my star. I love you, albeit from afar. You are my star. Albeit a conjunction of contrast. Can you see it? He is rich, albeit unhappy. Make it concise, make it snappy. The journey was long,